this Flutter series tutorial, and in this lecture we are going to learn about the icon widgets of the Flutter. So I welcome you all, and in this tutorial we are planning to make Flutter developers who know about everything about Flutter and from the basic, and we are going to make them to develop an app as a pro level developer, right? So they can get the jobs wherever they want in whatever the company they are like. Yes, so my goal is to only give knowledge to you about the Flutter right from the basic, and I'm doing it well, and you have all responded very well to me, right? So in this lecture today we are going to learn about the icon widgets of the Flutter, and in this we are going to see how we can use the Flutter inbuilt icon systems and how we can get all the icons in our app, and how we can use that icon in our app, right? So let's straight jump to my screen. Yeah, I think you are already in my screen, so let's start doing coding, right? So let's go. So first of all, I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to use icon widgets, right? So icons dot favorite, right? We are going to use heart. Yes, heart outline. Yes, and we are going to give the color to it. It's color dot pink, and size will be 50, right? So that's icon widgets. This is how you will use icon widgets of the Flutter, right? So as you can see, there is a heart in our app, right? So this is how you can use icon widgets of the Flutter. Now we will keep this inside row, and then okay, inside row, and then we will use another icon. It's not icons, right? To use the widgets you have to only write icon, right? Inside that you have to use icons to get all the access to the icon, and if you use dot, and you will see all the icons over here, which is inbuilt by Flutter, so you don't have to put your icons into your projects like Android and iOS, and then use it file for that. This is a system that Flutter builds inbuilt, so it will not occupy any space in your project, right? So that's a great way of developing an app in a Flutter, right? So now we will use music notes, and color will be colors dot blue, and the size will be same 50, right? And now we will use another icon, and it will be my icons dot beach access, and color will be colors dot gray. You can use any color whatever you want, and you can also use any size whatever you want, and you can place this icon wherever you want in your app, right? Inside the widget I'm putting inside the row widgets, right? I'm putting inside the row widgets, and if you now rerun your app, you will see all the three icons. If now I make a main axis alignment dot space around. If you don't know what is main axis alignment in the row, I have made a lecture separately on this, and it's already in live, right? So you can go and watch that lecture if you haven't, and understand what is row, what is column. And I already made all these basic lectures on Flutter, right? So you can also watch how to install on the on your Mac Flutter SDK, right? How we can use text field widgets inside the Flutter, right? I already made all these lectures, and you can go and subscribe my channel if you haven't, and watch that series of Flutter tutorials, right? I have separately made in the playlist Flutter developer from basic to pro, right? So go and watch all that lectures, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, as I am going to teach you everything about the Flutter, right? So now if we rerun our app, it will make a space between all the icons, and you can see in your app we have made all these three icons into our app, and it's looking pretty nice. Now if you want to centralize the icon inside your app, you just have to use the center widgets in the and wrap all the row section around the center widgets. Right now if you rerun the app, your all three icons will be at the center of your app, right? So that's it, that's all about the icons, and this is pretty good features that Flutter gives, and it's simple to use, and I also show you in a simple way. So if you like my this if you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up to my this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you want to learn the Flutter, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all the video updates, right? So I'm going to post a lecture every week, right? So thanks for watching this video and have a nice day. Thank you.